Experience a journey into your imagination and beyond. A world where fantasy becomes reality and reality becomes fantastic. In his all-new show, Unbelievable, Brad Ross has brought a new approach to a classic theatrical art, the art of magic. Unbelievable is a celebration of magic and wonder, but even more, it's a way of looking at the world around us.
It's time for a lesson in magic.
Unbelievable has been an amazing journey for me. It's been a chance for me to bring my magic to new audiences.
In Unbelievable, Brad Ross has assembled a collection of astonishing wonders. And through his performance, he's inspired audiences to look for the magic in our everyday lives, to remember the amazement of childhood. Unbelievable is the feel-good show about the magic that's all around us, while inspiring the dreamer inside us.
How's everybody doing? And right about now, it's time to find a kid to help us, another kid in the audience. And thanks for being here today for a little magic.
You see, magic is a theatrical art that's as old as history. But in Unbelievable, we've got a brand new approach, a modern approach to creating wonder. And the best part is when Unbelievable not only surprises people, but inspires them. And that's what I hear from audiences. They begin seeing magical things that are all around us every day. I know that the greatest magic you can experience is the magic that follows you out of the theater. And that's the greatest secret in all of magic, that anything is possible.